am the little prince. I came back to Earth and tried to see and discover everywhere. I am in Tehran now. I am the little prince of Persia. Let's go. Iran Mall in Tehran is an entertainment and business complex where there are movie theaters, ski slopes, escape rooms, bowling alleys, various restaurants and cafes, hotels, and various exhibitions. One of its beautiful places is called Old Tehran Alley, where various things of Iranian elements can be seen. The architecture of the place, souvenirs, carpets and handmade products of Iranian artists are available in this place. The Hall of Mirrors, which is taken from one of the halls of Golestan Palace, is also located here. Everywhere you look in this hall, you see yourself. Another very beautiful part is Jaundi Shapur Library, which has a very special and different architecture. The feeling you experience here is magical. The statue of Iranian poets and writers is also located in the library. The next very beautiful place is the fountain, around which there are many cafes. People dance with music, but water only dances with light and how dreamy it dances.